Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I am going to unbox and swatch a beautiful gel polish kit that I will send out by Born Pretty store. I actually gave away 3 of these sets in a previous giveaway, so congratulations to everyone who won. But I also wanted to do a little shout out to bornprettystore.com itself because they are having an awesome Christmas sale going on starting today, the 24th of December, running throughout the 3rd of January 2020. So if you want an additional discount, definitely check them out. They have a lot of new cool nail art products. They sell regular nail polishes, gel polishes like LED lamps, nail art stuff such as stamping kits, stamping polishes. They have beautiful transfer foils. They have like gold leaf foils. They have a ton of gems. They have a ton of tools. Like, you have heard me just rave and rave about Born Pretty store. I've been one of their customers for about 8 years already, and I'm just a big fan. So if you do want to check them out, you can definitely use my 20% discount code as well, which is FEM20. You can always just use that one. It is just basically all the time there. You can just use it with every single purchase if you want to, just to save 20% extra on your next purchase. So yeah, if you're curious about that, do check them out. They have some cool sales going on all the time, but because it's almost Christmas, they're just celebrating with all of their customers. So yeah, let's just continue to the unboxing. And for the record, I did break my thumbnail, unfortunately. And even after recording this one, like the day after, I also broke my thumbnail on my right hand. I just cut them down completely. I just want to start over fresh again so they can like grow strong, long and luscious. So yeah, that is why my thumbnail on my left hand is short. But yeah, things happen. It happens like once or twice a year that I break a nail, so it's not such a big deal. But thank you all for the sweet comments about it on my Instagram anyway. I really appreciate all of your sweet comments. But in this kit I got a ton of awesome tools. I got an LED lamp. I've got some really nice files. That sponge file is actually one I really love. And the higher the grid, the more like soft it is, and you can actually use it on your natural nails as well. There also were some other tools like a cuticle pusher and all that jazz. Even a little like scraper tool that you can use when you have soaked off your gel polishes, and it doesn't actually damage the nails. Like, I get a lot of comments asking if tools like that can damage your nail, but if you soak it off like gently and the way it's supposed to be soaked off, you can just use a tool like that. Don't apply too much pressure, of course. So I also got a cool LED light in there. It did came with a US plug, but it is a USB one, which is something that didn't really bother me. I just switched it up for one of my phone like plugs, which has a European like thingy and I could just easily use it. There wasn't like any issue or anything like that. You can also remove the bottom of this one, which is pretty neat. I just had to do that off camera because I didn't have enough space between the light and the lighting that I was actually using to record. Like, I was just hitting or like almost hitting my phone, which I use to record my videos with. So that's why I just did that off camera, but it just clicks in there really nicely. It has a ton of LED lights, which I really love. This is like pretty strong light in my opinion, and it also has the little Born Pretty logo. I really love it. It's a really nice one. It has a tiny like screen which tells you how much seconds the light has been on and all that jazz. Then I also got a really like nice amount of gel polishes, and I am going to swatch all of the colors. So I did get a base coat. All of these gel polishes actually contain 6 milliliters. They have to be cured for 60 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV, so that it's kind of like a basic amount of time that you have to cure these gel polishes. If I compare them to other brands, it's kind of like a basic regular amount of time. It isn't like super long, it isn't super short either. It's just normal in my opinion. But the bottles look exactly the same, so do like keep an eye out for whether it is the base or the top coat, because it does say so on the front, but since it's not super obvious, like seeing how the bottles are designed, just like make sure you use the right one in the right like order. Then I also got 6 beautiful gel polish colors, and I've never ever tried Born Pretty Store's gel polishes before, so I am just going to unpack all of them and show you those and swatch them on the little nail sticks or the practice nails that they also send out to me. So this is the first one. It is like a beautiful ochre yellowy kind of tone, perfect for fall, but I think it's a really cute color to use in nail art as well. And I have applied, as I said, all of the colors to these sticks, and I'm going to use the top coat as well. By the way, the top coat is a non-tacky one, so like a no wipe one. You don't have to get rid of the tacky layer afterwards, which is a big plus in my opinion. I always use top coats like that to also adhere my gems in there, because that way it's just really easy. You just cure it and you're done. But as you can see here, this first color is so beautiful. I know this will not be everyone's like cup of tea, if you know what I mean, but I think it's a gorgeous color. It's called Oriental Treasure, and it is from a specific collection. I will try to look up the links to all of the products, or at least the collections, because the next one is from a red collection, and I totally mangled that little box. Like, for some reason it just didn't want to open, so I just decided to rip it open completely. Yeah, stuff like that happens. I'm just keeping it real here. But this is a beautiful, kind of like a classic Christmassy red in my opinion. I think I will be wearing this one for Christmas, which is already starting tomorrow as we speak. So I actually still have to do my nails, because I'm still wearing that Barbie pink design that I was wearing in this video as well. But yeah, there actually is a video coming up where I make this Barbie pink design, so keep an eye out for that. I will try to edit and upload that as soon as possible. I think it will be next week, but I'm not sure. It is still pretty like busy and hectic the last couple of weeks of 2019, so bear with me. But this one is called Very Red, and it is, as the name already says, very red. Then the next one is called Orange Party, if I'm correct. Again, it is a beautiful like orangey tone. It isn't like super like wintry in my opinion. I think this is a color you can wear in spring and summer as well, but also one just like the first color I showed, perfect for doing nail art or just cute little detailed work with just a little bit more color this time of year. If you are like me, I was like totally done with red Christmassy colors, or at least for my own nails, because I've seen so much red lately that I was just like, I want something different. So that's also why I have like a bright pink design on my nails as we speak. But this color is a color I would love to just throw on my nails in between like this holiday season as well. But all of these colors are so nicely like pigmented, and you get them opaque in just 1 to 2 thin layers. I also wanted to mention that like the substance of the gel polishes, it isn't too thick either, and that is something that I really love, because sometimes when you have highly pigmented gel polishes, like the substancy of the gel can be a little bit thick and a little bit clumpy, and that makes them less easy to apply, if you know what I mean. It's kind of like rubbing on a really thick polish instead of like a more watery one. So these do level out quite nicely as well. I really have to mention that. They are so affordable as well. It is like insane. Like, how are they even able to make such nice quality gel polishes? Like, as I said, I've never tried their gel polishes before, so I'm pretty much blown away by this like first impression actually. And I really do like the colors. They're nicely pigmented. Like, the colors I received are actually really nice together as well. They're more of like the fall winter colors, but again, as I mentioned earlier, you can use a couple of these colors as like detail or like accent colors as well if you want to do nail art on your nails. So yeah, I'm really impressed, kind of blown away. They also cure really nicely. They really only need like 60 seconds in LED. I only have an LED light, so I don't know how to cure in UV, but I can imagine you will have the same result. You just have to wait an extra minute longer for it to cure. That's it. But this color is a nice like nudish medium brown tone. It's called Café au lait. Like, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. But then I'm going in with the next color, and this one was so dark and vampy. It almost looked like it was black on the brush and in the bottle. But as you can see, it's actually a really dark, like grapey kind of red, like a purpley red. Really, really gorgeous. Almost like a burgundy, but a little bit more towards the purple side. In my opinion, at least, that's how I saw this color. This one is a little bit more thin, a little bit less opaque, but then again, with 2 layers, you are good to go. You have a beautiful opaque nail, or at least gel polish on your nail. And yeah, I just really love how this one looks. It's really vampy, it's really beautiful for fall and winter, not just for this holiday season. So if you get the chance to actually get some new items from Born Pretty Store, I would definitely recommend to get that dark vampy color. It really is one I would highly recommend, but if you're more into like the ochre yellowy, like orangey tones, you can check them out as well. They have like a ton of different collections and colors. Also some glittery ones I saw. So yeah, do check them out and use my discount code FEM20 if you want to. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to get anything this Christmas time from Born Pretty Store. And as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.